We just really like this part of the world, really. It's a couple of hours from home where we normally are, and we wanted to relocate up this way. G'day, my name's Josh. I'm from down in Newcastle, and this is our home away from home in Cranbrook. I've always wanted a farm or a rural property ever since I was really little. Always loved it, and I've run the business for 18 years or so now, and I know I want to wrap that up at some stage. Don't want to be doing that forever, and we just want a tree change, really. Get out of the city once the kids grow up. So we're completely off-grid. We've got a 22,000 litre water tank, solar, battery system, septic. So we've got everything we need, and there's no bills coming in, so that was the goal, really. Our goal is to build up here eventually, within a few years, so we needed somewhere where we could be comfortable while we're building the home, and somewhere where the wife and kids can come up and enjoy themselves in between building and now sort of thing. So I come up with the idea of just having the shed big enough to hold some machinery and tools, equipment, and then the other side of it as a little living area with a couple of bedrooms. I didn't want to go too big, but didn't want to go too small, and I just thought this was probably a good size for us. So we probably got 2/3 storage, 1/3 sort of our living area. The long-term plan for it, once we've built up here, is we'll probably just leave it pretty much the way it is, and just have the area there for guests to come in and stay for the weekend. I wanted a rustic sort of feel. You can't get more rustic than the corrugated iron, old hardwood timbers, and that was always the look I sort of wanted, and we were lucky enough to find some good old recycled materials and just ran with it, basically. I got a few different quotes. Wasn't a price thing. Sheds and Homes was one that I approached. I basically just had a good feeling from dealing with them that they were a trustworthy company. I just got on and did the online shed design process. They come back to me very quickly as well, and it just made the process really easy. And at the end of the day, they communicated really well, and I was like, well, they're the guys I'm going to go with. For me, it was just practicality, knowing that I needed 2 garage doors, the PA door just for convenience, and then the windows and the glass door on the other side for the sort of livable area. I just told them what I wanted, and they did the rest. They were able to supply everything that I needed.